Hi, my name is Chinedu Chikeze, CEO Dubiss Forex Academy. All right, I want to give you analysis on gold, what has happened in the last 1 week plus, and then what we're expecting today and before the end of this week, stroke next week. If this is your first time of joining our analysis, please subscribe to this channel, Dubiss Forex Academy. Ensure you follow us on all social media handles, Dubiss Forex Academy. I'm going to be showing you our Telegram channel, Win Forest with Dubiss, for you to join. We'll show you that at the end of this video on how you can subscribe to all our social media handles, more especially YouTube and Telegram, where we drop free signals. All right, so if you have not watched our previous video on gold, please do that. Last week, I analyzed gold and I told you guys that gold, look at where we were last week. And then I was telling you that gold, most likely we touched our key level, which was 3355. So when I analyzed it, price was gradually moving. I told you that we are buying gold, but when it gets to 3355, that gold most likely will fall. And then if here it will respect this particular zone, which is our liquidity zone, and if here is broken, then gold most likely will now go to the second liquidity zone. All right. But gold moved that day. We made some profits, and then I already asked those that are following us to move their entry points to break even. All right. But around here, gold actually moved forward, which was this price is around 3350. So it got to 3350. We actually made profit. Anyway, we started buying from the bottom. We bought from this point. All right. We bought from this point up to we brought from this point to this, which is over 300 pips. We still bought again up to this point, 500, even though we're buying at the same time selling, because we are using our sniper entry strategy, which is a scalping strategy that gives us more than 90, up to 99% accurate. All right. Accuracy, that is our sniper entry strategy. So we made a lot of profit, over 2,000 pips within that week, within last 2 weeks. Within last week we made over 2,000 pips, because every day we're making over 600, 700, 800 pips in a day. All right. So today, this is where gold is. Gold eventually fall, and then look at it and tap our low level, which is this key level here, which is our liquidity zone. Now, let me show you something I've also discovered. On H1, you will see that this looks like head and shoulder, but when you go to H4, you will see it clearly. All right, on H4, you will see that this is actually head and shoulder that gold have actually formed. All right, on H4. So now, wait, is loading. This is head and shoulder. Look at it, head and shoulder. So we are now expecting gold. All right. If you watch very well, you see that this is like head and shoulder. So we are expecting gold now to once gold close above. This is the head. All right, these are the shoulders here. So once gold close anything above 33560, then we can expect gold to move as high as maybe getting to 3390 and as well 3400. So this is the direction we're expecting gold to move, right? So, but you need to follow us. For those of you that want us to give you entry points when you are to enter and when you are to exit. At the moment, we have already bought gold today, and gold have actually come down. So we're expecting gold to move again. All right. So this is like head and shoulder. All right. You can see what I just draw now from this point. All right. You can see. So we could expect price to move up. So this is exactly our analysis right now for you to see this head and shoulder we have identified. So we need gold to close above this liquidity zone that I've just highlighted. Once there's a close above here, which is around 3360, all right? Once you see a close, gold closing around 3360, then we could see price moving close to 3390 and then 3340. So 3400. So this is what we're expecting. We're expecting gold to move up to 3400. Gold is actually bullish. Anytime you see a retracement, is an opportunity for you to buy gold. So what we do is that we buy the main movement, and also we also sell the retracements. All right. So once there is an impulsive move, we buy, and then when there is also a retracement, we also sell. All right. So this analysis for gold. So you can keep this very handy. All right. Look at where we're expecting gold. Let me show you where we're expecting it to get to, so that when you get there, we'll also come back and look at analysis together. So we're expecting gold to get to 3390. Sorry, not the name. So leave it. Just let's go to parameter 3390. Okay. Sorry. We're expecting gold to get to, all right, 3390. This is 3390, which is this key level here that I've already identified. You can see this key level here, all right? This is a resistance. So we're expecting gold to get to 3390. I'm going to leave it. This is where we're expecting gold to get to. So let me measure for you to see how many pips we are talking about. From the current price, we are talking about over 400 pips. Over 400 pips. All right. So let me show you our Telegram channel, free Telegram channel, because we're going to be dropping free set of the free signals there for you to join as well. All right. So you can join our Telegram channel, Dubiss Forex Academy. All right. So you can just search with. Let me show you what you search with. Just search with Win Forex with Dubiss. This is a link for you to join our Telegram channel. Win Forex with Dubiss. You will see it. Over 2,300 subscribers. You can see it. This is the real one. Win Forex with Dubiss. We will show you Dubiss Forex Academy. All right. So we'll be dropping some free setup here. You can see money, some trades, and you can follow us on TikTok as well. This is our TikTok, Dubiss Forex Academy. You can follow us on TikTok. All right. So you can see some of the results what we made last week. So we are telling you to follow us on our Telegram channel. If you want to make this kind of profit, then you need to follow us. Join our VIP channel. This is our VIP channel. Let me show you our VIP channel, right, for you to see. These are VIP channels. All right. You can see profit we have already made today. Okay. You can see profit we have made today, and then see the signal when it was sent, and then you can also see some of the trades what we took yesterday and how we made the profit. So I want you to look at it, see them here. When you click here, to take you to when it was sent. This signal gave us the whole TPs, all right? And these are the profit we have been making. So ensure you join our free channel so that I can have free signals. You can see our students. If you go to students group, you see what is happening. We'll drop all that setups there. This is our student group. You can see plenty setup that is being dropped here. UJ, Euro USD, so many of them being dropped here on our student group. So if you join the academy, you have access to this one as well. You have access to these setups and use them make profits. All right. If you want to reach me directly at Dubiss One, you can reach me directly. I can show you how to trade with us and make good profit. For gold, we are cashing out on gold, and you can see our first target 3390, and of course, the second target is 3400 until 3400 is broken, and then we could now see gold going as far as this height here. Let me drop this higher. Why? Because gold can still go back to all-time high that gold made before, right? No, not even all-time high. At least the one that he has made in recent time, control Y, the one he's made in this recent time. So until this place is broken, before we see goods pursuing the very all-time high, which is around this point. So these are the levels. Okay. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Cheers, guys.